Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making quinoa. Quinoa is a very high protein, gluten-free food that contains all 9 of the essential amino acids, so it is really good for you. I'm going to be making a combination of the red and white quinoa and I'm combining them myself. Here are the ingredients we will need for today's recipe. They will also be linked below. In a medium saucepan, we are going to take 1 3/4 cup of rinsed and drained quinoa. I'm adding to that 4 garlic cloves. I love this garlic press. I've talked about this before. It will be linked below. If you do not have a garlic press, it makes things so much easier. I love it. I'm toasting the quinoa here. I feel like it really brings out a lot of the flavor prior to adding any liquid. And quinoa is not only high in protein, it contains fiber, magnesium, the B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium. There's so many health benefits. Here, I'm going to take some Himalayan pink salt and some fresh cracked pepper, and I'm going to add just a drizzle of olive oil and give that a good mix. If you wanted to keep this oil-free, you can just omit that step. To that, I am adding 2 cups of organic low-sodium vegetable broth. Most recipes you see for quinoa says to double the amount of liquid. I actually do not like it that way. I really feel like this is the perfect way. If you make it this way, it turns out fluffy, delicious, not mushy at all. I actually didn't even like quinoa until I started doing it this way. Then I'm covering it. It's been a few minutes. I'm giving it another stir. Quinoa is so quick cooking, it really is a great thing to make if you're in a pinch. That's looking really good. After about 15 minutes, I check it and it looks like it's done. So I kind of just give it a nice stir. And now I'm gonna let it do its magic by covering it off the heat and letting it really fluff up. This is a very important stage to do. And here's what it looks like when it's done. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's perfect. Perfectly cooked quinoa. I actually use this method for lots of things, including rice. It's kind of unconventional, but oh my goodness, look at that. Such a healthy, nutritious, complete protein meal. Delicious. And here, I've combined it with some red chard and some panko breaded air-fried chicken. If you're interested in a video on this complete meal, drop me a comment below and I'll be happy to feature that in an upcoming video. And if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. I post new videos every Sunday. And be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for cooking with me. Bye, guys.